Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to archive a chat on Instagram step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening the Instagram app on your Samsung phone. Before proceeding, make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the messages icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it to access your chats. Step 3. On the messages screen, you'll see a list of your conversations. Press and hold the chat that you'd like to archive. Step 4. After holding the chat, a menu will appear. Find the Move to General option and tap on it. This action will automatically archive the chat. Step 5. To view the archived chat, tap on the General tab. This section will display all the chats you've archived. Step 6. If you decide to unarchive the chat later, press and hold the conversation again. Then, select the Move to Primary option. The chat will be unarchived and moved back to your main chat list immediately. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.